Hi everyone, Wise Dave here. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to blend images into your background. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Alright, so I'll open Pixellab and import my image. I don't really like this image, so I'm going to delete this one. Now go and import an image from my gallery. Alright, so it is ready. Now I'm going to change the background to white. So I'm changing the background to white color. Now, how can I blend this image with the background? Now there are several ways, but I'm going to teach you one way that you can use to blend the image with the background. So I'm coming here and I'm going to select a shape, and with this shape I can just come here to gradient, and with this first portion I'll come to this color picker here and I'll select white. Now the second portion too, I'll bring it all the way here, which is also white, but I'll make it transparent. Now if we take a closer look at this, you can see that one side is having white in it and the other side is transparent. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to rotate this here, then I will increase the size a bit to fill the image. You can see already the sharp edge of this image is blending with the white. So this is only one way of doing it, and it is perfect for me. So I'm going to show you another way to blend images into your background. Alright, so another way to blend this image with the background. Okay, so let me delete this one. So I'm going to show you the next method of blending images with the background. So I'm coming here, I'll click on the image and I'll move all the way to this side, and I'll pick the eraser tool, then I'll increase the size more, and I'll also increase this to the fullest. Now if you leave this side like this, the clearing that you are going to do, or the eraser, will be very sharp. So you can see if I clear this side, it is very sharp. Okay, however, if I increase this side to the fullest, it will give it a blur. So the same way, I'm going to clear this side. You can see that it is giving it a blur feel. So I'll come to the check mark here, and you can see that it is already blending with the background. Now if you feel it is not enough for you, you can repeat the process until it is fully blended with the background. So I'm going back to the eraser tool and I will decrease the size a bit, and I'll do the same with, and I'll clean it more. Sorry, I'll increase this side. Now So this is another way to blend your picture with your background. So let me choose another color of the background and repeat the process. So I'm going to change the color to yellow. Now, so if I change the color to yellow, it is automatically blending because I have erased the background. Sorry, because I have erased the image, so it is blending with the background. The same way you can choose other colors and match them with the picture. So this is another way to blend your image with the background. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. See you in the next video.